A content calendar proposal presented by Nicole Picaro, CMO, McDonald's. Our content will be focusing on making the customer's experience better, a more seamless, quicker, and convenient process. Content should align with our customer service standards and should strive for more satisfaction and retention. We will put an emphasis and a focus on our drive-through, delivery, and our mobile app options. McDonald's has partnered with Uber Eats, offering convenient and appealing delivery options. Our mobile app provides outstanding service with contactless pay options and a speedy process in which food is ready as our customers arrive. With an increase in specialty beverages, we will look to competitors such as Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts to successfully promote these beverages and make our customers more familiar and comfortable with McCafe. Our content should remind customers about McDonald's commitment to our community and with helping families in need with the Ronald McDonald House Charities. We will offer inspirational, feel-good content, and we will roll out a campaign focusing on how volunteers can help through a blog post called Share Your Heart this holiday season. We will share pictures and content of volunteers in action and inspire others to get involved. We will persuade customers to download our free mobile app with free food offers. Social media content will include promotional offers as well as free items on certain days or through the app to get more customers into our locations. Since virtual events are currently popular, we will celebrate our birthday this year with a virtual event on social media with lives, giveaways, and fun content to remind our customers why they have loved McDonald's for all these years. We will show old photos of Happy Meal toys and logos to show how much has changed over the years, yet one thing has remained the same: everyone's love for our hamburgers. Our virtual event will be called Party with Grimace at McDonald's 65th birthday celebration. We will form a strategic partnership opportunity, and it would be advantageous for us to partner with Salesforce, as the company can assist with brand publishing and personalized content. Salesforce has shown strength in content targeting and distribution through blogs, websites, and online channels, producing better sales and service conversations, and they support global companies using cross-channel campaign management. A partnership with Salesforce will allow us to improve our content, organization, and effectiveness. We will have one centralized CRM program so that all content will coexist and we can share with each other globally. We will use our partnership to enhance technology, focusing on improving the partners with our mobile app, website, and our social media. We will look to partner with influencers as well. Salesforce offers digital improvements, and we will eliminate local social media accounts among franchises, and all content and postings will be managed through our collaborative platform as we unite all social media channels. Salesforce will manage all social media comments so they can be managed appropriately and professionally, while strategically creating hashtags. It is most important and most effective for all content to be relevant and to be delivered to the right audience at the right time. This pie chart represents our budget and our implementation costs as percentages allotted for each area we are focused on to improve content and overall customer experience. We will be lessening our focus of advertisements such as commercials and print ads, and we will be more focused and expand with our brand partner and creating centralized shared content through templates, social media, and one CRM. We are hopeful for the future, and we feel that this content plan will help us grow even more. I thank you for your time, and I welcome any questions.